2023 I will be your motivational speaker. Feel fantastic, babe.
Darling, in 2023, make a statement. If you want to travel the world, get yourself a passport. If you want to be a musician, take yourself to the studio. If you want to eat well, take yourself to a restaurant, baby. If you're single, download that dating app, baby. Get yourself on Tinder. Yeah, Tinder. I said Tinder. Yeah. Live life, baby. Enjoy. Take life with a big spoon, baby. Live life. Be you. And make sure you feel fantastic. Yeah. And also be fantastic, baby. You live for you, darling. I'm feeling fantastic. Toodles.